Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope all of you will be fine. Today we are going to learn a exercise of the poem. The name of the poem is A Misspelled Trail. First of all, understanding the poem. Before answering any question about the poem, try to write the poem in correct English. The first stanza has been done for you. The changed words are in italics. A little boy said, "Mother dear, may I go out to play? The sun is bright, the air is clear. Oh, mother, don't say nay." "Go forth, my son," the mother said. The aunt said, "Take your sled, your nice new sled, all painted red, but do not lose your way." The weather changed and it started to snow. Through snow drift, wade through watery pool, he flew with might and main. Said he, "Though I would walk by rule, I am right, 'tis plain. I'd like to meet some kindly soul, or hear new danger wait, and younger stars a treacherous hole, to slow has been my gait." Answer the following question. What reasons did the boy give for wanting to go out? The boy said that the sun is bright and the air is clear. What warning was the boy given? The boy's aunt warned him not to lose his way. What mood was the boy in when he went out? The boy was in a happy mood when he went out. How was the weather in the morning and in what way did it change? The weather was bright and clear in the morning, but soon it got cloudy and it began to snow. What factors made the boy feel that things were not right? The boy was feeling weak and pale, and he knew that he had missed his road. These factors made him feel that things were not right. What is the effect of the use of incorrect spellings? The use of incorrect spellings make the poem funny by giving different meanings to the lines. Do you like this poem? Explain why or why not. I like this poem. This is very funny. The misspelled words are used in a very clear way. Refer to the text and answer the questions. The ant said, "Take our sleigh." Who says these words and to whom? The boy's aunt says these words to him. What kind of sleigh does the boy have? The boy has a new slate painted in red. Though I would walk by rule, I am not right, 'tis plain. Who says these words and to whom? The boy says these words to himself. What does by rule mean? By rule means straight route. How is the speaker feeling at his time? The speaker is feeling weak, pale, and anxious at this time.